Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about Kahoot, what it is and how you can play it easily from your phone. Let's get started. Kahoot is a fun learning game where you answer quiz questions in real time. It's a great for school, training or even just playing with friends. You get points for correct answer and the faster you answer, the more points you get. First, open the Kahoot app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are on your home page, to join a Kahoot game, you need a game pin. The host, like your teacher or friend, will give it to you. Tap on join. Here you can enter your pin, then type your nickname and hit OK. Now the game starts. You will see questions on the host screen, but on your phone you will only see the answer choices like colored space or text. Tap the right answer before times run out. After each question, you will see if you were right and how many points you got. The leaderboard show the top scores. Try to stay fast and accurate to win. And that's it. Kahoot is super fun way to learn and play together at school, work or just for fun. That's all for today's video guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.